We're proud to showcase our CTKPFD06 professional installation kit for the Ford Mustang from 2010 to 2014. The CTKPFD06 retains the steering wheel controls such as volume and track to work as standard with your aftermarket head unit. In addition to the new fascia, we have provided a dual HVAC touchscreen. On the driver's side of the screen, you will be able to configure the car's air control settings, which include the fan temperature, fan speed, car recirculation and max settings. On the screen furthest away from the driver, you'll be able to access the full configuration menu. Within the configuration menu, you will find the vehicle settings adjust certain characteristics of the car, such as time and date. Regarding the ITC settings, you will find a series of attributes that will affect the HVAC unit itself, such as the brightness of the display, as well as the model of the radio connected. In addition, the CTKPFD06 also supports Spanish and French as well as the English language. To find out more information about our professional installation kits or more directly the CTKPFD06, please head on over to our website at www.connex2.com.